People have been working on driverless vehicles for more than 10 years now. And this is an extremely exciting field with excellent breakthroughs. But now let's assume that we have this technology. What do we do with it? So let's assume that now we can deploy thousands, possibly dozens of thousands of vehicles into a city. What are the key benefits of this? So the work that we do can be viewed essentially as a giant dispatch system, whereby we are dispatching autonomous vehicles throughout an entire transportation network.
With our testbed, we can test different scenarios where passenger can arrive at a higher rate during rush hour and then at a lower rate maybe in the middle of the night. And we can test what kind of congestion effects that has on the system.
Other trips are just trips whereby the vehicles are empty and they are optimally rebalancing themselves within the city in order to best anticipate the future demand. And then a customer would just go to the closest station, he would swipe up his card, he would board the vehicle, he would be driven by the vehicle to his desired location, and then he would drop off. But then you can imagine even more, in my opinion, exciting ways of using this technology whereby you're just home and you just use an app on your phone and you just call a vehicle. And then a system tells you when this vehicle is going to pick you up. And then when it's time, you just go down and then you board your vehicle and then you're driven to your destination.
So this testbed is a small-scale demonstration of what we hope to achieve on a real scale. And it will allow us to transition to a real system where we have real vehicles shuttling real passengers around either a gated area or even a city.
But now with the new recent breakthroughs with Google that is aggressively pursuing this technology, transportation networks with autonomous vehicles are becoming increasingly feasible. We can test our software, namely our dispatching algorithms, and at the same time we can gather massive amount of data about how humans interact with the vehicles and then develop control algorithms for the vehicles that are safer, which is another focus of our research.